We all know Nepal has the greatest of nature. But what if we tell you that these extreme nature side regions are so remote that you might not even believe it? The trek to Phoksundo Lake was not just about reaching a destination. It was a wholesome experience of how life looks when no modernization has taken place, how nature stays composed when untouched, and how lively people can feel who have nothing but still have everything to live a meaningful life. At an elevation of 3600 meters, where every basic need feels so fragile, people will still welcome you with a big heart. This 2.5 days trek in the Himalayas felt much deeper than we ever imagined. Welcome to episode 2 of 20 days on our motorbike across Nepal's most remote regions. We reached Jufal last night and stayed here at Samriddhi Hotel. This morning we had our breakfast and now we are ready to begin the trek. If you are coming by public transport, you can stay at Dunai, which is closer to Suligad, the starting point of the trek. We stayed at Jufal because this place itself is worth exploring. We'll share another video about Jufal and our memories from here. For now, let's go to Suligad.
Day 3 of our trip, Suligad checkpoint मा आइपुग्यौं. यहाँ हामीले बाइक रोक्यौं. अब यहाँबाट चाहिँ हाम्रो हिँडाइ सुरु हुँदैछ.
Phoksundo is the largest national park in Nepal by area, which covers around 3,555 square kilometers.
नेशनल पार्क छिर्नको लागि राष्ट्रिय निकुञ्ज हिल पिटुवाको भूमिमा यहाँहरूलाई स्वागत छ. Come on.
Okay. Phoksundo is also one of the few homes of the elusive snow leopard.
ट्रेल सुरु भइसकेको छ र ट्रेल यस्तो दामी छ हिँड्नलाई चाहिँ अलिकति गाह्रो छ किनकि बालुवा गिट्टी ढुङ्गाहरू धेरै रहेछ. भ्यू त बबाल, भ्यूको त के कुरा गर्नु. ट्रेल चाहिँ यस्तो अप्ठ्यारो पनि छ क्या यसमा चाहिँ.
This cute little kid we met on the way taught us to find joy in even the simplest things.
देखो ना गाइस, देखो ना गाइस, देखो ना.
यो चाहिँ पहिरो गएको बाटो रहेछ. अब पहिरो गएको बाटो चाहिँ अलिकति डेन्जर आयो अहिलेसम्म पनि.
पुरै पहिरो गयो रहेछ यो बाटो. हिरा र पहिरो खोलाको बाटो नमान्नु डरै डर.
This is the moment where we felt our first fear cause this landslide area, it looks so risky. As we move further, the trail starts getting more beautiful. These wooden bridges, the crystal clear river, it just feels like a true paradise. After walking for 3 hours, we reached Kageni, where we had the best meal of our life.
Finally, 1 बजे
खाना खाने ठाउँमा आइपुग्यो. Wow.
सुमिता होटल एन्ड लन्च कागेनी 1 बजे यहाँ आइपुग्यो. खाना पनि खाना बसिरहेछ.
That feeling can't be described in words when you get food on your plate after so much uphill walking. And we barely knew that this was just the beginning. Now we had food, took some rest, and then started walking again.
Hello!
कस्तो भइरहेको त अनि
दामी
हालत खराब भएन
हालत खराब भएको छ
अनि
कतिखेर होटेल पुगेर सुतौँ जस्तो भइसक्यो त्यही भएर हिँडौँ टाइम वेस्ट नगरी
ओके
Crossing the huge desert like mountain in the scorching heat, the only thought on our mind was, when will we reach today's destination? And once again, this village humbled us. I don't really know how to describe it, but we have never seen a settlement so remote in our lives. Here, the houses are built with stones, no big boundaries outside. It almost feels like one big family living under the same sky, just different roofs. A place where even basic needs feel so fragile and still no one seems to be in a rush. People just doing their chores, relaxing, animals living in harmony. A lot of thoughts hit me in that moment and I just felt numb. What kind of life is actually worth it? Ours or theirs?
ये चोकमा ध्यानपर्छ के चोक 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 ये चोक भनेको 3 गेरा हो सु
Now as we pass by, our hearts feel so light. We are not in a rush anymore. It's almost dark as we reach this village called Sangta. From here, we still have 2 hours walk to Chepka, where we stay tonight. We finally reach Chepka around 7 and check into our stay. We were so tired, so we instantly had food and slept.
So good morning guys. हामी हिजो बेलुका चाहिँ 6:30 बजे आइपुगेका छौँ छेप्का भन्ने ठाउँमा र गेटवे होटेलमा बसेका थियौँ। अब अहिले बिहानको लगभग 8 बज्न लागेको छ, पौने 8 भएछ। अब हामी हिँड्दैछौँ, यहाँबाट 20 किलोमिटर छ फोक्सुलो लेक चाहिँ। खाना खाने ठाउँमा चाहिँ लगभग 1 बजीतिर पुग्छौँ होला दिउँसो। बिच बाटोमा चाहिँ केही पनि छैन रे, टी हाउसहरू यताउता केही पनि छैन। त्यही भएर तपाईँहरू आउनु हुँदाखेरि खानेकुराहरू चाहिँ बोकेर आउनु होला, पानी पनि मस्त बोकेर आउनु होला, पानी पनि पाइँदो रहन्छ ठाउँ ठाउँमा। अब हामी चाहिँ निस्किरहेको छौँ यहाँबाट मास्तिर। Keep watching.
The next morning, we saw life a bit differently. We felt grateful for each other and for this journey together in such a beautiful place. These signs on the mountain rocks clearly show how rooted people here are in their culture. This is the most beautiful bridge we crossed on this whole trail.
खोलाको आवाज सुन्न सकिन्छ एकदमै मस्त आइरहेछ
This Kola is so beautiful and the view from here is awesome.
Look who we met on our way. We shared some biscuits and rested here for a while. I don't know about him, but I had a lot of thoughts in my mind while sitting here. Who are we? What's our purpose? Why do we struggle so much for a life that's so uncertain? And why can't we just be ourselves everywhere, just like here? Life would have been so much easier.
ल यो चाहिँ नेचुरल स्विमिङ पुल रहेछ यहाँनिर सेफक सुन्नु छ नि ट्रेलमा कसैलाई गर्नु भएर खेल्न मन लाग्छ भने गएर हामफाले हुन्छ तर याद गर्नु यो चाहिँ एकदम चिसो पानी हुन्छ तातो हुन्न नि फेरि ट्रेल चाहिँ मोडरेट टु हार्ड रहेछ इजी पनि छैन त्यही भएर अलिकति फिजिकल फिटनेस पनि चाहिन्छ यहाँ चाहिँ ल कस्तो दामी छ यो अर्को छैन अति बवाल अब हिँड्दा हिँड्दा चाहिँ यस्तो थाकिन्छ होइन अनि धेरै बनाउनै सकिँदैन क्या अनि एकदम दामी दामी यहाँ ठाउँमा मात्रै बनाइरहेको छु तपाईँहरू पनि आउनु होला तर यसो अलिकति वार्मअप गरेर मर्निङ वाकहरू जाने ओर्ने बिहान बिहान चाँडै उठ्ने होइन यसो हल्का दौडिने त्यो खुट्टालाई अलिकति वार्मअप भयो भने हिँड्नलाई सजिलो हुन्छ
कहाँसम्म जाने हो हामीसित फोक्सुन्डोसम्म जाने हो
The climbs started getting harder, and even seeing more steps scared the hell out of us.
यो सेक्सनमा चाहिँ हिउँ जम्या रहेछ बाटोमा ओह्रालो पनि रहेछ अनि हिँड्नलाई चाहिँ अलिकति अप्ठ्यारो भयो बुढी त लडी चिप्लेर यता कुना कुना आऊ
This is the viral खोला हो फोक्सुन्डो यही रहेछ गाइस सबले उभिएर गरेर फोटो खिचाउने ठाउँ
Walking further, we got snow on our way, which looked really beautiful but made the trail more difficult.
सो गाइस फाइनली रेची आइपुग्यो 1 बज्यो ट्याक्कै 1 बजेको छ बिहान निस्किँदाखेरिको टार्गेट 1 बजे नै थियो हालिदिनु न त राखिदिनु
There are only local homestays along the whole trail, so you get the best hospitality and local food everywhere.
बाटोमा
We obviously got some energy, but trust me, walking with a full stomach is even more difficult.
हिमाल देखिएको छ तर बादल लाग्यो पानी पर्ने भनेर भनेको छ मौसम विभागले
आज
पानी पर्दै हुन्छ बिजोग हुन्छ त हिमालको पहिलो दृश्य
फाइनली
हिमाल देखियो
हिमाल हो कि डाँडामा हिउँ पर्यो खालि
हिमाल हो किनकि त्यो चट्टान हो क्या पुरै अनि मलाई लाग्छ सम्झना होटेल आइपुग्यौँ हामी अहिले 3:45 बज्यो यहाँ पछि हामी जहाँ बसिरहेछौँ यहाँबाट अगाडि गएपछि अरू एक ठाउँ छ होटेलहरू पाउने, त्यस आधी घन्टा। त्यसपछि होटेल पाइँदैन र सेफोक्सुन्डो पुग्नलाई 4 घन्टा लाग्छ यहाँबाट। हामीले चाहिँ अब यहाँ रेस्ट गर्ने निदो गऱ्यौँ। बिहान 8 बजीदेखि हिँडेको, धेरै थकाइ पनि लाग्यो, खुट्टा पनि दुख्यो। अब रेस्ट गरेरै जाने भन्ने निदो गरेर हामी सम्झना होटल साइजोल भन्दो रहेछ, साइजोल भन्ने ठाउँमा बसेका छौँ सम्झना होटलमा। आजको लागि हाम्रो बास यहीँ हुनेछ।
After walking for almost 8 hours today, we decided to stay here and not move further. It was golden hour, so we had our tea sitting outside, thinking about our day, feeling the vibe here and admiring these Himalayan pits. She is the highlight of this whole journey. I can never forget the moment I first looked into her eyes. She was just 8 hours old, so small, so pure, like an angel straight from heaven. We made some of the best memories of our life at this stay. This hotel is a family-run place and we had such a good time with Ama and Bua. If we ever come back on this trek, Ama would be the reason. हामीलाई त एकदमै रमाइलो भयो हिजो बसेर।
आमालाई पनि धेरै खुसी लाग्यो यसरी यस्तै पाहुना सधैँ आइरहोस् भनेर आफूले प्रार्थना गर्दैछ। तपाईँहरूले पनि मलाई एकदम माया लाग्यो कि यस्तो रमाइलोसँग बस्नुभयो।
The next morning before we left, she put tika and a khada on us. And not just that, she gave us all the blessings we ever wanted.
बाबुले आएर एकदम खुसी लाग्यो। यसरी फेरि पनि भेटघाट भइरहोस्, तपाईँ र हाम्रो सम्बन्ध होस्, सुख शान्तिले एकदम सुख जीवन काटोस् भनेर काटोस्, यसरी नै डुलिरहनु पाउँछ।
गुड मर्निङ गाइज। आज चाहिँ हामी सम्झना होटल एन्ड लजबाट अब निस्किरहेको छौँ। बिहान 8:30 भयो। सैजोलमा छ यो चाहिँ। अब यहाँबाट हामीलाई लगभग 4 घन्टादेखि 5 घन्टा जति लाग्छ सेफोक्सुन्डो पुग्नको लागि। हिउँ पर्ला जस्तो भएको थियो हिजो, तर परेन। र यहाँ हामीलाई आमाले लोसारको टिका पनि लगाइदिनु भएको छ।
बिहान चाहिँ डेन्जर चिसो छ गाइज। यस्तो अहिले त घाम नपरे ठाउँमा छौँ अनि यस्तो छ बाटो। अब यहाँ चिप्ल्यो भने गयो, एकदम सम्हालेर हिँड्नुपर्छ। झन्डै गएको अहिले।
The third day of trekking took us into a completely different world. We saw Himalayan yaks for the first time, and their aura was something I can't even put into words.
हामी चाहिँ पोलम आइपुग्यौँ। नम्बर देखाइदिरहेको, यदि तपाईँहरूलाई के अप्ठ्यारो भयो भने यहाँबाट हेर्नुहुन्छ भनेर। यस्तो छ, खुल्ला छ पोलम चाहिँ, एकदमै खुल्ला। अरू ठाउँ चाहिँ एकदम कुचुक्क परेको थियो, यो ठाउँ चाहिँ एकदम खुल्ला रहेछ। अब यहाँबाट लगभग 3 घन्टा जति लाग्छ हामीलाई माथि ताल पुग्नलाई। पोलमपछि एउटा ठाडो उकालो हुन्छ भनेर धेरै कुरा भएको थियो। मलाई लाग्छ उकालो यही होला। हामीलाई यहाँ पुग्नु छ अनि बाटो यसरी 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 गरेर यहाँ पुरा एकदमै ठाडो उकालो। मेरो बुढलाई गाह्रो भइरहेको, रेस्ट लिँदै लिँदै आइरहेछ। हामीलाई यहाँ माथि त्यो पोल देखेको ठाउँमा पुग्नु छ। कस्तो फिल भइरहेको? डेड सिन। ठिक छ, आराम गर्दै गर्दै चढ। अब यो भ्यू हेर्दै हिँड्नलाई आउने कि नआउने त विचार गर्नुहोस्, यस्तो दामी शब्दै छैन। यो भ्यूले गर्दा पनि हिँड्ने आँट आइरहेछ।
Everyone says the best part of trekking is the Himalayas, but no one prepares you for the kind of strength and courage you need to walk through them. At this point, I felt I couldn't make it. Maybe I should give up because my legs were numb and I was running out of breath.
यो चाहिँ रेस्ट गर्ने ठाउँ आइपुग्यो। मेरो बुढी आउँदै थिए बिस्तारै। अलिकति हिँड्नु पर्दा पनि कति दुःख मान्थे। आज तेस्रो दिन हिँडिरहेछ, दिनको 7 घन्टा। आई एम रियली ह्याप्पी फर हर। थ्याङ्क यू बुढी, आई लभ यू बुढी। फाइनली सी इज हियर। हाउ वाज द एलिभेसन? बोली पनि फुटे होइन। आई लभ यू बुढी। हामीलाई यो स्याउ चाहिँ पोलममा पोलम टी हाउसको दिदीले दिनुभयो। दिदी तपाईँलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद यो स्याउको लागि।
It was this moment when I felt grateful for everything I have in my life. A supportive partner who never gave up on me, my body that pushed me through all my fears. I felt like I was reborn. त्यो गुफामा चाहिँ मान्छेहरू बस्नुहुन्छ। अहिले चाहिँ सिजन नभएर कोही पनि हुनुहुन्न।
फोक्सुन्डो झरना।
Final stretch is something we will remember even in afterlife. We walked on the narrowest trail we had ever seen. It was very windy with small grains in the air. All we could see were huge rock-like mountains with small stones falling from them. We had to move fast to cross this trail ASAP.
This is the final trail to Rigmo village and this is so beautiful.
They say the most beautiful view comes after the hardest climbs. And guess they are so right.
ल हावा चले बुढीलाई हावाले उडायो। हावाको बेग एकदमै धेरै छ। उडायो हावाले यो मन, उडायो हावाले। अहिले चाहिँ दिउँसोको 1 बज्यो, ट्याक्कै बज्न लागेको छ। 3-4 मिनट बाँकी छ र हामी अहिले आइपुगेका छौँ रिङ्मो भिलेजको एन्ट्री गेट। फाइनली हामी रिङ्मो भिलेज आइपुग्यौँ। 1 बजे बिहान 8:30 बजे हिँडेको थियौँ सम्झना होटेलबाट।
Thank you, Kallu.
थ्याङ्क यू मेरो बुढी।
Thank you, मेरो बुढु।
I love you बुढी।
I love you, Kallu.
We did it.
Yes.
This is what? Yes. Rigmo village is 38 kilometers from Dunai. District headquarters, 2.5 days trek.
How many days we took?
We did in 2.5 days. Chakkai.
So if you try to do it in 2 days, it will be very, 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 very hectic.
Yeah.
And you might not be able to enjoy the lake.
Yeah. Finally.
लेक चाहिँ देखिसकेको छैन अहिलेसम्म।
अब त्यहाँ माथि गएपछि देखिन्छ होला। 1:10 भयो, होटेल आइपुग्यौँ हामी। माउन्ट कैलाश गेस्ट हाउस। अहिलेको सिजनमा चाहिँ तालको सबभन्दा छेउमा खुल्ने होटल यही रहेछ। यहाँबाट कस्तो भ्यू देखिन्छ म देखाउँछु। कस्तो फिल भयो त सेफोक्सुन्डो ताल हेरेर?
I couldn't believe what I just saw. My husband kept asking me how I found the lake, but I had no words. What would I tell him at that time that in my entire life I could never imagine a lake so blue, maybe the most beautiful blue color I have ever seen, in the middle of nowhere where we just crossed those deadliest trails, would be sitting this calmly, enough to blow the most intelligent brain of mankind. How would I gather all these words at that moment? So I was just quiet with tears in my eyes. But this was just a glimpse of what we were going to see tomorrow. Since weather didn't favor us today, so we decided to rest. While in the kitchen, we met a group of friends, and this brother had literally carried his coffee all the way up. He was so sweet to offer us the coffee he made himself. And just like that, we ended our day with warm food and so many memories. The next day, we explored the heavenly beautiful Foksundo Lake, the remote Ringmo village, and the Gumba, which you will see in episode 3 of this series. If you liked this video, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.